Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Dojo slider here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound and the feel of this guy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. So let's just check this out. This guy came with this clear box with some extra magnets there. So if you lose them, if you break them, you know, you are safe. And this is the Dojo slider. So this is the stainless steel version of this pretty cool slider, number 05X. So probably it's going to be 054, so number 54. I believe there's 100 made of these, but I might be wrong. So correct me if I'm wrong, guys. And this is a slider, basically slides. Stainless steel, very cool shield, nice and grippy texture here if you like to use it like that, or as I prefer like that, because you have an indentation, you have this nice dimple which is gonna fit fantastically my thumb, and it's just gonna be a super pleasant sensation just doing this. Just fantastic. So let's quickly check the size on this guy. Let's measure, like for example, right over here. It's gonna be, let's see, right over here, 1.39 inches, and let's see, thickness can be something like 0.36 inches. So it's a nice size. Like for example, compared to the EDC Lung, this is the bulletproof shield. Also, he's importing these guys as well. Same person, same agent, let's say. And that's a little bit. This is steel too, so I think this is a little bit heavier. Let me check, because there's quite some heft to it. I like the weight on this guy, and it's gonna be like 2.83 ounces, where the EDC Lung is 2.37. So it feels a little bit lighter indeed than this one, and it feels also a little bit different. So of course, this is a little bit wider. The size is different. The thickness is different. It's a different thing. The curvature is also different, I believe. Maybe I'm wrong, but it's a little bit different. I like this one very much because of this. Like the feel on this one, when you do this, they nailed it. Like this dimple here, great, gorgeous. Like just how it's supposed to be, and angled, so like you can just keep it like with two fingers like that, and this line is just gonna slide into your like these two fingers like that, and then you can just be like this, quiet, unobtrusive, unless you drop it. But you can be quiet and enjoy the hapticness coming through your fingers and going up to your brain as you do this, and you're gonna be instantly happy. I'm just kidding. I mean, you're gonna feel some dopamine kick. It feels good, guys. It's a feeling you need to try in your hand, because it's really hard for me to describe the feeling it goes on when you play with these toys. So and I like to review these guys because they are checking all my 3 boxes for an item to be reviewed by me, because has to look good, has to sound good, and has to feel good. So, and in this case, I mean, this guy looks pretty cool. It's a nice shield. If you ask me, it's cool looking. The sound, it might seem that this guy is like quiet because I'm rubbing it like that. But if you want, this guy can be loud. And you see, you can go high in pitch. It's not as loud as this guy. This is louder, but this has a nice ding to it, and it's a very pleasant sound, and it's a very pleasant feel in the hand. Like you can slide it to the side, so and also to the other side. So basically, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states in each row, so you're gonna have 15 states. And of course you can also do some tricks like that. You can see it's gonna end up upside down, so you basically just you can turn it, push it all the way up on a side and just have it rotate like that, and it's just gonna be attracted on the other side. And you can also do it like from the other side, so you can really play and create your tricks with this as you have it in the pocket or outside as you watch a movie or as you're waiting in line. So it is a pretty cool fidget toy, 100%. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.